today we have time and speed. The different measures of time and are seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years. The smallest of these units, however, is the second. That is why, see, your wall clock has just two arms. The minute arm, which is the longer one, and then the hour arm, which is the shorter one. So in this case, the smaller one, or the smallest, or the thinnest really, that moves around very, very quickly is known as the second, showing that that is the smallest of the units of all the time measures. Now, in a day, you have 24 hours. Now, on your wall clock, 24 can be represented there. So how does it go? We have 12, 6, 3, and 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 11. Now you know you have 12 hours around the wall clock. This means that from 12 midnight, that very time when you are very scared, up to 12 noon, that is exactly when you call those times AM. So you call it morning time. Do you understand? Now from that 12 noon back to 12 midnight, that is what you call your PM, or you can call it the afternoon. Do you understand? Now 12 to 12, 12 to 12 makes 24. And that makes it easy, and then you have 24 hours making up a day. That said, now we know the time measures. We already know how many hours a day in a day. We know how it is being counted, and then we know relatively things about the time. Now, another point you need to keep in mind has to do with how you measure your time. For example, if I say 3:25 a.m., what I'm saying here is 25 minutes after 3 in the morning. Whereas if, for instance, I just say like 1:45 p.m., what I'm saying in this case is 45 minutes after 1 in the afternoon, or I can say it's 15 minutes to 2 in the afternoon. So getting to just know this already introduces you to time. So it is easier for you to calculate the number of hours that are there between an AM, a PM, from one day to another, and it makes it quite easier for you to get your answers right. For example, if I ask you this very simple question, that find the time interval between just about what time should we consider now? Say 2:45 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. same day. See, this kind of question already, the solution, easily, we know that AM stands for morning, since we have learned that already. And so we'll check it out from 2:45 a.m. up to 12 noon in that afternoon, it's easier for us to calculate it. We can just remove this from this. Now we know that 60 seconds are there in 1 minute, and we also have the same 60 minutes making up 1 hour. Now with this knowledge, it's quite easier for us to make this come out. So from 2:45 straight to 12 noon, we count it step by step. Are you there? So it's easier for us, like 12, we take away 2 from 12, we have 10 hours left. Isn't that right? Now, 10 hours is what is left. We know right here is 60 minutes before it makes this, right? And so we're left with 45 minutes to remove from this 10. So when we are removing 45 from this 10, it's very, very easy for us. We just transfer 1 from here to the 0 here. But the one we're transferring from here, based on our 60 minutes make 1 hour, means that we are transferring 60 from here to this place. And so we are left with what here? 9. And then this becomes 60. We open a box, like a box of solution. 60 minus 45, that gives us 15. And so we have 15 minutes left. So from here, we have 9 hours, 15 minutes from there. That's quite easy, isn't it? Done. Now, where are we still going? 1 hour, 1:15 p.m. That means we're stepping into the afternoon. So we have from that 12 noon now to 1:15 p.m. Already, you know this like goes back to 0. We're counting back from 0 now. To 1:15 will easily give us 1 hour, 15 minutes. So all we need to do is just add it together, and then we have here 30 minutes and 10 hours. So from 2:45 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. same day, we have 10 hours, 30 minutes. Quite easy to calculate. Please just pay attention to the numbers you have running on your screen there. You can always contact us for better calculations and easier ways